अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। हामिद व मुसल्लहीन अम्मा बाद। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अल-यौम अकमलतु लकुम दीनकुम व अतममतु अलैकुम निअमती व रज़ियतु लकुमुल इस्लामुद्दीना। Honorable principals, respected teachers, and my dear brothers and my sister, good night. To you today I want to speak on my topic, Islam and science. Today I have perfect your religion for you and have complete my blessing upon you chosen Islam as religion and a way of life for you. Surah Al-Ma'idah ayat number 5.3. Nowadays, it is a general question arising in a mind which thinks something about this modern age, the age of science and technology, the age of inventions and discoveries. The question is, what is the relation between Islam and science, and what is Islamic approach to science? And does Islam have any harmony with the modern science? Dear audience, first of all, it is necessary to clarify that Islam is the eternal and perfect religion of Allah. It is in a complete harmony with the human nature, so it can never be contrary to the laws of nature. Its techniques and doctrines can run with the ups and downs of every age. Its basic rules and fundamental doctrines cannot accept any change. Allah has perfect religion it and regarded it as the favorite religion forever, as He said, Inna ad-dina indallahi al-Islam. Truly the regarded religion in the sight of Allah is Islam. Surah Al-Imran ayat number 3.19. On the other hand, science is a systematic study and knowledge of natural and physical phenomena. It is a developing and growing process. It expects changes and incorporates modifications. Once it proves something, while the other kind of which carries and reject claims something else. Dear brothers, dear audience, it should also be noted that science two types. First is experimental, is comprises experiment and experience. The second type consists of theories and concept. The first type of experimental science is in complete accord with Islam. It is not go against Islam in any way. Rather, the has proves Islamic teaching and concept its discoveries and inventions, like science of medicine, agriculture, and so on. What the other kind of which carries theories and concept, it is not favors Islamic concept and various occasion, like the theories about the universe, the sun, the sky, but is man or harm Islam, because you believe and history of Islam is testify is truth. What is says we know or no we not express just time to time. Rather, they are a reliable source of information for the scientist too. We should mind if science find in. We should not mind if science. In fact, science should not play any part to engage our decades our iman. At last, I want to request all Muslims follow the Quran and Sunnah and about the manner of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam your one life. Ameen. Taqabbal ya Rabbul Alameen.